I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have. You are our little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So I just did a review on this girl. This is Noriko's Eden. You can go ahead and watch the review on her. But when I put her on, she reminded me a lot of Rene Paris's Safi. I did a review on Safi and you can see that. So I want to just do sort of a side-by-side comparison and see if they are the same style, similar styles, the colors, everything. This is the color Melted Marshmallow from Noriko. And I have Safi in Rene Paris and she is in the color Melted Marshmallow as well. But they're two different companies, so let's take a look. I'm going to bring out Safi. They have pretty much the same cap construction, lace front, monofilament parting, basic cap in the back, and it's wefted, okay? And this is sort of the colors side by side. They're very, very, very similar. This might have a little bit, like the brown may come down a little bit farther than on this, but in terms of the shades, yeah, it's like pretty much the same. I filmed the part where I can do a side-by-side with this wig. I'll get this one on and then go ahead and film. Then you're gonna see the side-by-side and then I'll come back in Safi with my final thoughts.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to.
Okay, so now I have Safi on. They are definitely very similar styles. They're not exact. For the first thing that is the difference is that although they're both, this is Eden, although they're both lace front monofilament parting, same cap construction, the part is actually on the opposite side. So if you are looking for a right-sided part, I would go with Eden. If you're looking for a left-sided part, I would go with Safi. If you don't care, go with either. The color is definitely very similar. This one just happens to have a little bit more fullness around the face. It's a little bit longer. The back is still stacked up just like the other one. Just has a little more hair to it along the face. But in general, they're very similar styles. If you like one, you'll like the other. If you like the other, you'll like the other. So the colors are very similar. This just seems to sort of, you see where these like sort of hazelnut colors are? This one seems to come down a little bit further than this does, but the shades are the same in terms of the rooting and the sombre, the color mix. They're using the same shades. It's just they're using a little bit more of that hazelnut color. Very cool toned, and so yeah. So that is what I have for you for this comparison of two wigs on whether they're sisters or cousins or whatever. I would say they're probably sisters. You know, Safi being the longer one, I'll just say she's the older sister, and then, you know, Eden's the younger sister. So that's what I have for you. If there is other wig comparisons you would like to do, please go ahead and put that down below. I'll leave my name brand wig playlist down below so you can see all the name brand wigs that I have reviewed. If you haven't subscribed,
I don't even know why, so just do it.
And hit the bell. And if you have, you are my little doll babies and I appreciate you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!